Hi, my name is Max. I'm from city of Korolyov. This is a small city nearby Moscow which was named after great Russian scientist, engineer and designer Sergei Pavlovich Korolyov. This is the city of engineers and designers. A lot of enterprises connected with the space industry are located there. Even the Mission Control Center. Being the city of science and engineering, Korolyov also is a small city located in the forest, in a natural park. So nature and technology are balanced in this place.
Our project highlights the necessity of search the balance between nature and technology.
Everybody knows that a lot of energy consisted in the space around us. At the same time, we know that there will be a moment where we must be more clever in energy harvesting. But to know and to act in such way are different things. Imagine the object which makes natural energy visible. Do you know how much energy consists in 1 square meter of the space? It's enough to give you 10 hours of LED light, even if it's not so windy and not so sunny in the place where you live. Beautiful object providing useful services, sourcing its energy from the nature around it. We used our previously developed technology of hyperboloid rotor to create more common and more affordable product.
This was a scientific study, the goal of which was to find the design of a rotor of wind turbine suitable for use in urban areas, low speed, durable and lightweight. Using physical experiments and supercomputer calculations, the behavior of a hyperboloid rotor in a dynamic flow was simulated, and the dependencies of the dynamic characteristics of the rotor on geometric parameters were established. Elegant and sophisticated design, driven by mathematical equations and data. Rotor can be made of various materials: carbon fiberglass composites, aluminum alloys, even of recycled plastics.
This is meaningful and useful art object which can be used while planning the city spaces, parks and gardens. It will be the attraction point for people, providing them with useful services. See the beautiful object and you can connect to it with your smartphone and get the data from it, for example, about the weather, about the air condition, about quantity of sun which was during today. This is a great idea, I suppose. I'm excited by the idea of creating a range of products based on a story and the technology of hyperboloid rotor. Also, I think this is a good base for artistic explorations. I believe such products can inspire more people to search for a balance between technology and the nature.